Hello beautiful family, welcome back to the channel. Yes, it's the fin again with worldwide opportunities. Yes, as you can see on your screen, you have this remote freelancer video production at Kindle Ltd. So we are going to visit several websites to see the jobs they have today. So as I make the video, yes, you can work from anywhere. So this is the company Kindle Ltd, and they are looking for you to work from anywhere and become freelancer video production. Yes, actually, I'm on this website, weworkremotely.com. This is the website you can find jobs every single day. Yes, they have any type of job that you can imagine. Yes, worldwide jobs. I have playlists where you can find secret website to find jobs every single day. So what I do normally, I visit those websites I shared with you in these videos, and then I find this kind of jobs. As you can see, only 51 applicants have applied. Yes, and the job was posted on August 14th as I make this video actually today. So they say we are seeking a remote freelancer video production to join our team and create high quality video content. Yes, the responsibility production actually is just to edit the video and stay current with industry trend and best practice. You have to meet deadlines as well. The requirement here, there is a requirement: strong video production, editing, post production skills, excellent attention to details, and so many more. So this is the remote, and it is freelancer position. Candidate can work from anywhere. Yes, to apply, please submit your application. Describe your relevant qualification experience. All right, so please note that you will be required to be able to produce the content for the video. You will have to create direction. So please note that you will be requested to create like content for videos. Yes, please don't send email, just apply through this website. Okay, so as you can see, this is one job. I have so many jobs, other jobs. Yes, we have these other jobs. We have remote freelance, social media, Turkey. This one as well is on this we work remotely. Yes, you can visit we work remotely, explore the job they have, and see if you can find something you are looking for. For example, right now we have all of these jobs: one, two, three, four jobs, if not five, are new jobs that you can find. Yes, if you can become freelancer UX design, yes, you can apply to become a design UX design. Responsibility is just to design using this UX UI designer and developers. Qualification: provide experience building UX flows, a strong portfolio, and so many more. So let's move on to the next job we have. Okay, if you go to this remotive.com, this is the website where you can find all the jobs. Yes, you can find jobs hiring as well from anywhere. So we have also this one, simplyhired.com. Simplyhired.com, they have all kind of job that you can imagine. If you filter, let's say, data entry, and then put remote, and then filter 24 hours, you can see they have service technician. This job was posted 4 hours ago, as you can see. And the benefits, they have all these benefits: tuition reimbursement, paid time off, and the qualification, it's 8 years of experience. Okay, so if you have this 8 years of experience, go ahead and apply. All right, so we have, actually, you can even say, let's say part-time or internship or temporary. Let's say part-time, you need part-time job, and you can see Wayfair is hiring. As you can see, this is the job description. Okay, So this is the job description. Yes, our candidates experience team is hiring temporary candidate experience coordinator. This role will be 20 hours per week for approximately for 12 weeks to assist with reasonable recruiting volume. Okay, this is Wayfair. So this is actually popular site. So if you come to this website and explore this website, you might find the job you want. So let's say you are looking for virtual assistant. Do you do search? You make sure you filter 24 hours. You can see we have this one, remote part-time administrative assistant, and you can work from Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. So you can work part-time to this company, and you can see the qualification, previous experience, okay, in administrative assistant, customer service representative, and related role. Communication skills, communication, strong attention to details, proactive, and then remote work experience as well. Then the benefit, they work remote work schedule. Okay, so as you can see, you can apply through this guidance. Again, visit simplyhired.com. Yes, visit simplyhired.com. Visit We Work Remotely to see the job they have. Also visit remotive.com. So guys, this is the job that I had for today. As you can see, we have several jobs. Yes, explore the website and see if you can apply to them. And again, please share my video with your friends. You might think that your friend doesn't need a job, but guys, you never know. If they are looking for a job, if they are looking for part-time jobs, what you can do is just to share with them this video. It's just like 8-minute video, if not 6 minutes. So it's simple video. Just share with them and see if they are looking for opportunities. Yes guys, good luck in your application. Have a great time. Bye bye.